Okay, let's go.
What up, my fans in Ohio? I don't even know where to start and where to end, but we give all to Almighty God. You know, it's one of those things. As you can see now, yeah, I'm not alright. I'm not feeling good at all, and I'm sorry to say that I can't be able to make up to the show. Yo, man, whatever that goes up, definitely must come down. Trust me. That doesn't mean that you've thrown your money away, but keep your ticket. A new day will be fixed. So you come with same ticket. Trust me. We have to make this happen because I know how much my fans in Ohio feel about me. I know how much they love me, and I love them too. We plan to make this happen long time, and you can see what is happening now. But it's one of those things. God knows what is best for us, and God's time is the best. And trust me, a new day is coming up so that this show will happen. Because man, we've been planning for this show for a long time, and I've been somewhat unproud of that. Look at what has happened. But all the same, things will be fine. So yo, check me out. I'll definitely come for y'all. Keep the fire burning, never lose hope. Olofufu they go do, but still, high spirit, never say never. I love you, my friends. Thank you.